If you're currently employed, the most important thing to remember is to keep your job search efforts discreet. You don't want to jeopardize your current job by being too obvious about looking for a new one. There are a few things that you can do to make sure that your job search is discreet. First, be careful about what you say to coworkers and bosses. If you're openly talking about looking for a new job, it's only a matter of time before word gets back to your employer. Second, be mindful of the way you conduct your job search. If you're spending a lot of time online or on the phone during work hours, your employer is going to notice. Finally, don't use company resources for your job search. This includes email, printers, and company computers. If you're caught using company resources for personal gain, it could cost you your job. Keep these things in mind, and you'll be able to conduct a discreet job search without putting your current job at risk. Click on the playlist now to view more job searching tips, and click on my face to subscribe to receive alerts when I post new job search training videos. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.